All right, I've got several examples we're going to go over to prepare to put all these things together. So we're putting it together, combining like terms and distribution. That is called simplifying expressions. Expressions does not have equal signs. Okay, so we're going to start by just reviewing combining like terms. Okay, so if we look at 3k plus 7 plus 8 minus 2k. First thing that we want to do is rearrange our terms so that they are together. Our like terms are together. So 3k minus 2k plus 7 plus 8. Combine these two. 3k minus 2k is 1k. And then plus 15. Okay? Which you would write as k plus 15. Next problem. My hand to make things move. Would be just to make sure, negative 10a minus 50 plus 45 plus 15. I'm again, or 15a. I'm again going to arrange them so that they are next to each other. Personally, I want my 15 first because it is positive. Do we need the positive? No. But just to remind me. And I'm doing that because it will help me recognize that 15a minus 10a is the same as negative 10a. Minus 50 plus 45. Now again, I don't like this, okay? So I'm going to move them as well. So positive 15a minus 10a. I'm going to move this to a positive 45 and a negative 50. Okay, so this will be 5a minus 5. Final answer. Next, we're going to review distribution. I told you that there's lots of reworkings to make sure that we know we put it all together. Negative 10 times a plus 5. In case you don't remember, there's an imaginary 1 there. So I distribute negative 10 times 1a plus negative 10 times 5. Okay, I'm going to do my multiplication because of my order of operations. Negative 10a plus negative 50. Instead of doing this, negative 10a will be subtracting 50. Final answer. The next problem is 2 times 3 minus 7k. That would be 2 times 3 minus 2 times 7k. 6 minus 14k. Final answer. We're going to do one more just for good measure. What happens if it was 4 minus or plus 2a with a 7 on this side? Does that matter? No. Still going to distribute. 7 times 2a plus 7 times 4. Or you could do the, let me do this, go this way. Change color. I could do 7 times 4 plus 7 times 2a. 28 plus 14a, which is the same as our 14a plus 28. See, this and this are the same. All right, now we are put together. These are our advanced. These are what we're growing to. So I'm going to change the color just because I like to. 6 times 1 minus 5m plus 4. Start with distribute because we want to get rid of the parentheses. So 6 times 1 minus 6 times 5m. This 4 doesn't change, he just comes down. Next, I do my multiplication. 6 minus 30m plus 4. I am going to rearrange just because I can. I'm going to move this over close to the other like term. 6 plus 4 minus 30m. I can combine these two terms. I get 10 minus 30m. Final answer. We did it. New color. 2 times 1 minus 5v minus 5v. Still going to start out with parentheses. So parentheses would be 2 times 1 minus 2 times 5v, minus 5v. Then we go to multiplication. 2 minus 10v minus 5v. So I can combine these like terms. I have negative 10 minus 5 more of those. Since they are the same, you keep same sign. So you will add and keep the same sign. So 10 plus 5 is 15. It stays negative 2. Change color because I can. Next will be 3 times 4 plus 3r minus 10. Distribute first. 3 times 4 plus 3 times 3r. Bring down this minus 10. Do your multiplication. 12 plus 9r minus 10. Going to move to combine like terms. 12 minus 10 plus 9r. Combine your like terms. 2 plus 9r. Next problem. 6 times 7k minus 11. Then we're going to subtract 20. We're going to subtract 40. Okay. So we distribute 6 times 7k minus 6 times 11. Bring down the negative 20. Bring down the negative 40k. Next, you have to do your multiplication. So we're still doing the PEMDAS. So this is 42k minus 66 minus 20 minus 40k. I'm going to combine my like terms by moving them closer. 42k minus 40k minus 66 minus 20. This I can do easily. 42 minus 40. I have 2k. This one has same sign. Add. Keep sign. So I'm going to do 66 plus 20. I get 86. I think the sign is negative. So my answer is 2k minus 86. New problem. Let's go to boring black, at least in terms of pens. Black is the presence of all colors is a bonus piece of information. We're going to do 3 times 7n minus 1 minus 11n minus 6. Distribute. 3 times 7n. Distribute. Subtract. 3 times 1. Bring down your minus 11n. Bring down your negative 6. Do your multiplication division. So 21n minus 3 minus 11n minus 6. And we're going to move around. So I want this and this together. So 21n minus 11n. Then I'm going to put this next to this, minus 3 minus 6. These two, 21 minus 11, 10n. These two have the same sign. Add, keep, sign. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So my answer is 9. And the sign is negative. So answer is 10n minus 9. This is just a rule. You'll learn more and we'll practice more, but I want you to see it. Okay. Last one. We'll go to orange. Negative 20 plus 3x minus 5 times 2x minus 10. All right, just because this is on this side doesn't matter. You still have to do those first. So I'm going to distribute. These guys didn't change. They come down. That's a down arrow. Plus 3x minus 5 times 2x minus 5 times 10. That one's a little complicated. We're going to hold off on that one because I have an addition. So let's change that problem again. Negative 20 plus 3x plus 5 times 2x minus 10. So bring him down. Negative 20. Bring him down. Plus 3x. Now we're going to distribute that 5. Plus 5 times 2x minus 5 times 10. Ignore my cats. We're going to do our multiplication. This still hasn't changed. Negative 20 plus 3x. This will be plus 10x minus 50. Now we're going to rearrange. This needs to go with this. So 3x plus 10x. Then this needs to get moved over with this. Minus 20 minus 50. All right, 3 plus 10, 13x. We have same sign, means add, keep, sign. So 20 plus 50 is 70. The sign is negative, so this is our answer.